Trap lang ulit.
Okay, ubos na.
Good to see you, man.
You too, buddy. So what's going on?
Scatter.
Yeah.
Sayang, nice.
Okay, so give it to me.
Evidently getting in at 8:30.
CD.
Marurot mo?
Yeah,
CD, CD.
Sige, sige.
Oo, sigo to.
Nabuli mo ba? Teka, tingnan ko lang kung W na yun.
Na-cancel game ko, hindi ako nakapag-extend.
That's some shit.
Feeling ko nandun sila sa atin eh.
Here's the wonderful world of being an associate, right?
Sa end lane.
Ano yan?
Pearson Hardman.
Ito, dalawa.
What does that mean?
Gago,
Sino yan?
Sino yan?
Sa W9?
Yan na, Inquisitor.
No. Associates don't
Gago, dalawa sila ng 8 sa akin, pre.
do it, Brad Gould.
Tara, tayan mo.
I got an office.
Teka.
Teka. Lahin ako.
Sige sila.
Joke lang yun.
Listen, Mike. When I said that
Ay, puta ka, wala pala akong pass, bobo.
you didn't hear from me, but we're
Teka?
so if you want to
Hindi,
let me know
bayaw.
if you're forward, I can't leave Harvey.
Tara, wag muna.
I mean, what's he done for?
Imperator, pabalik na.
Nasa kayo, pre?
W9 sila, W9.
Ayun yung inquit. Sige, ang simpe, para di pre-hit. Meron ka?
Wala pa yung CD. Dumulas.
Sige.
I can't tell you that. Jimmy, you have to tell me that.
Lalo na si inquit, pre.
Yan na si Trace. Putang ina.
Ano, hindi pa namatay.
Start clock at home.
Patay. Sakit.
Gago.
Tangina,
Hindi pa
patay.
namatay.
You here to give me your letter of resignation?
Talikot talaga nito yung Inquis pag wala ko.
I was offered a job tonight.
Congratulations.
Patay kayo?
You want credit?
Ah,
No, I want to do the job.
hindi, di
Sige,
ba?
ano ba yun?
Yung small.
Brad Gould is
Ako lang namatay?
associates, Clark Owens, but he's also coming after
Hindi ko lang
us.
saglit yung small.
Trent Devin.
Someone's whispering in his ear.
Allison Holt.
Oh, dami.
Yan na si Trace ha.
She was ready for you. You wanted the box.
Sino itong
Oh,
Michael?
God.
So you think she's in this
Hmm,
for
tayo na ka.
Patay ka?
Who brought her in?
Harmon.
Ang nakuha agad ang puta.
You think this is him?
Hell of a view.
Clark and Owens don't deserve this.
Imperator na feed.
Which one?
Sige, masila sa atin para nakakapas yung pusher.
Don't even know who you're
Ah, palagan ba natin? Tara, palagan natin. Tangin ko na.
You bitter because you were
Rito.
Bumalik.
Gago
Balik
doon
ka
ako.
lang, Su. Walang isa yun.
Dito ako kay Goat.
You're
Hold
Hold mo, Blacksy.
settle, and
Patay na,
I
patay
have
na.
a law license.
And my
Go, go.
was taking that deal.
Ito si Corred. Ito si God pala. Walang isa yun.
You met with him 6 days ago.
I'm not even gonna ask anymore.
Punit to.
Patay.
Patay. Nahabol.
Marurot mo.
Wasn't dictating my actual sentence.
Nice.
Nakamanap pa siyempre.
Nice, pre. Patay na to.
Be using privileged information to target our
Saan kayo?
Really want to find Calvin.
Binablock namin, pre. Binablock namin.
ref more than anyone.
Imperator, andyan na ulit ha.
He did it quietly.
San?
in 6 rounds.
Dito, E2, E3. Nagbablock sila ng wave.
Tara, patayin na natin yun.
Call him too.
You're not
Papunta
Malis
ako.
na.
You can't keep people who want to leave, Harvey.
Makasal
Dito,
ko
dito.
na.
Dito, E3.
Wala akong root ha. Wala akong root.
Tara.
I'm telling you, the avalanche has already started.
Nasaan yung FB natin? Patay
Patay.
Ranzo.
Guerrilla contracts, they should be signing on my desk. Well, since you're so in the
Ayun si Inquit, pre.
why I don't have them.
Marurot mo.
Dumulas pre.
Story's already taken 2
Sige.
I'm still waiting.
Napakatigas naman itong hype na to.
Harold.
Harold did, Lewis, Harold didn't do anything.
Harold never does.
Gago, wala ta. Hirap naman habol ng Wisa, walang delay.
He worked all night.
Kailangan ng pre-root.
Quite what?
Ito.
Marurot mo.
How many citations you correct?
None.
Ito,
Ayun
patay.
na daw, no?
I don't care. Wow, yeah, that is a tattoo.
It's cool,
Ayun, doon si Impe.
Manatee. Slow, gentle cow.
Napakakunat ang putang ng inquit na to.
No, it's a shark, actually.
Totally. No, yes, that's a shark. That is
Patay. Nice, putang ina mo
a
ha.
shark. You're fired.
You can't fire Mike.
You moron. You can't even get your
Isang
fire.
ano lang.
Ayan, narot.
Ayan.
Pack up your things and go now.
But I did everything you
Alam
asked
ka na,
me.
boy.
Like Guerrilla
I
contract.
don't care. The client fired us, and now I'm firing you. Times are tough, people. Can't afford mistakes. We can't afford incompetence.
Saan tayo? Command.
Wala mo, Ipor.
Get out. There is no place for mediocrity here at Pearson Hardman, and there's certainly no place for someone like you. Everyone else get back to work.
Ang damage ko. Ipor. Sa.
Nahipit o, si Tang oh.
Patay.
You know, I didn't just do what he asked for.
Let's
go,
I
let's go.
didn't make any
Let's
mistakes.
go.
Patay ito.
Why didn't you say that to me?
Patay na sila.
It makes me freeze.
Scatter ha. Patay din, back scatter.
Sometimes I wish we would have known each other.
Patay ata ako. Patay ako.
Yeah.
Ah, puta, namatay nga ako. Daw
Ang
na
kumapit kayo, si Jorge.
And those guys.
Oh.
I hung out with the library. Such a loser.
No, you're not, Harold.
Teka lang.
For the record, don't
Walang ba pa?
Root wide eh.
He was a dude.
Totally.
Like a douchey dude. Remember that
Oh, pure damage pala. Bobo.
See, that's what I mean. If you would have known me there, then at least someone here would know that I wasn't always like this.
Huwag nang bulin.
Ako mas kayo dyan, malak.
To me for help.
Patay sa'yo muna ako.
We'd sit in the quiet of my
Patay ka?
apartment where no one was yelling at me, and I
Hindi
could.
gago, nahipit ako. Tang ina mo.
Patay sa'yo. Ay, sige, takbo muna.
Yeah.
Tang ina mo, ang daming kasalubong.
Dito ka, pre.
This is the first
Takbo
day
muna.
of law school.
Tara.
Look at the professor's comment.
Tara, patay tayo. Ipor ah.
Holy shit.
Lewis is right. I don't
E4?
Nahabol ako pre.
No, he's not. Thomas?
Tara, pre.
Poconos weekend.
With the girlfriend.
Imanan ko yung mga sinin para hindi makapag...
Ayun, hindi makita.
Down ako.
Campos?
Allegedly.
Down ako, pre ah. Para lang hindi makatira. Yan, nice.
Eh, neme. Nakaano na.
Oh,
Nakamanap.
patay yan.
For me. Seward.
Bura yan. Oh, tangina mo ah.
Broadway. Beneath that lumberjack.
Ano, hindi ko makalik si Ranzo.
Songbird.
Fine.
Hindi ka makita. Tatago dun sa guardian eh.
What took him so long?
Patay.
Naka ha.
We're done.
Ito, ang dami oh.
Closed them all.
That's just foreplay. You didn't clear shit.
Hmm.
Correct, pre. Please nyo.
Yan oh, na-field. Ay, kaso nag, ano? First blood.
Patay yan.
Nice one.
And Harvey?
Name yun.
Uy, bumaba! Tama! Uy, gagawin mo! Ito si
Imperator.
Hard lang mo lang.
Freaked out.
CD pre ah.
Oh, sige.
He'll never disappoint you again, so
Ah, hindi pa rin na-push yung N. Mahirap ba pa na malak?
why would I do that? I don't know because you
Sige. Wala si Black sa dyan?
think that was a show.
Ito.
I know Harold can be
Ito si Tre.
Sige, pass lang ako.
Patay na, patay na. Teka lang.
Gago.
Check lang ako.
Oh, nakarot oh.
Oo, patay yan, patay yan.
Wala ako.
Ay, mga tanga.
5 ilaw na.
Filed a motion with the appeals court instead of the superior court, which accidentally triggered
Patay.
the penalty review. And then the one and only time that I take him forward with me, his fly was down, and he called the judge.
Oh,
Increase
ulit
it,
na to.
Increase. Oh, patay, 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 patay.
You know why he does those things, right?
Kaya.
Because you intimidate him, you brutalize him. You're
Kailan,
always talking
kailan.
about how great you are at grooming.
W8W9. Okay, ipor pala, ipor.
Like a drill sergeant yelling at him.
Inquisitor, nasa baba ng mid oh. Nahabol ni Leo.
Don't they?
Sige pre, yan yun. Push, focus tayo sa push yan.
Okay, you know what? You want him to stay?
Uluga. Alam mo, sakit na. Takbo na pre.
Ah, yan, lagi nauuntog si Gago.
Gago, na-cancel bigla. Wait lang, out ako.
Akto.
Check everything he does, cross every T, dot every I, and still do everything you have to for Harvey.
Presidim.
People may not be
Ito
shooting.
presidim mo, kung mapatay ng UV oh.
So how does that work?
Tapin mo.
Good deal?
Tanga. Kasi box ka 0 ano. Sat mo nga to.
I was just coming by to wish you well.
Thanks, Rachel, but I think it's gonna be okay.
Wala pa rin kalaban, nasaan ang kalaban?
Really?
Nasa loob pa sila. Ayun oh.
Sa Inqui?
Ayun na.
Ayun na, Nemesis oh.
Tara pre.
Gago, nasa likod pa lang. Dami.
Dami na ako pre-hit.
Dami nila sa likod. Lima silang pumasok. Gulat din si Leo eh.
Dado tayo, gago.
Gago, wala akong karot-rot doon.
Wala akong BM, gago.
Ay, ay.
Reset sila, oy, huwag alis. Sino meron?
Wala. SI.
Ayan na, okay na.
SI hardness pre.
SI?
Meron pa ba? Hardness na rin. Salamat.
F8. Ano saan ka? Gala mo yun.
Sila pre, wala ako doon sila.
May pumupush to pre. Palagyan niya ng
Saan
guard magpupush na.
Alice, it's not done.
Dito
No,
na.
it's more than that. She's taking the king.
Ipor?
behind.
Pupunta ako.
No, it's more than that.
Tara, salubungan na lang.
I tell you the
Ay,
truth.
nakabike na nga, nauuntog pa. Ano ba yan?
You're busting out life jackets? You have a history of panicking.
He's not panicking.
Clark,
Nakahura lang ako pre.
Klein, these aren't just 50 years.
Ako rin.
That's 50
They're
years.
Lewis's first class of associates. He gave her a report.
May field ako.
Harvey,
Dito sila sa mid, lower mid. Nakimalak. Wala, dying yan, boss.
I never liked you, Lewis.
Nemesis oh.
Silim.
Uy, wala kayong kalaban dyan sa base. Nandito sa lower mid.
Sige pre, nandito si Nemesis.
Patay na. Doon oh. Malikuran na naman kayo dyan.
I love this firm, Harvey.
Teka lang.
You're a traitor when you voted for Harmon, and you're a traitor now.
Nasa
Oh, Inquay, huli.
Someone in this firm who voted for
Teka lang.
Harmon, and I voted House.
Puta, wala akong aura. Wait lang, magbibigyan ako.
Gago, na ano sila? Na...
Na CR.
Oo. Ayan o, naka-field. Inquay.
Akin yung Dr. M.
Inquay.
You bought my office.
Burst.
Sige, pareho na rin yan.
Hartman about the CM lawsuit.
Burst.
Teka lang.
You sold for senior partnership. And once you got it,
Ako
Ah,
na maunat, gago.
policy
Gago.
for the sole purpose of firing me.
Ang ina, kalukuhan to.
Ako naman, tigas nito.
But you're the one who went out, got the gun, aimed it,
Down,
and
down, down.
fired it
Sige,
at
down
my
nyo lang.
face. It blew up in my face. And what would have happened if it didn't?
It was under orders.
Wala pang delay si ano, Inquay. Gagong ano yan. Galaw yan. Yan, huli ulit. Ang inang yan. Iwan ko na, mabubuhay pa yan.
Wala na, low HP na yan eh.
I know who you are.
Teka lang, kuya, teka lang.
Are you still gonna tell me you're not?
Pre,
a
banatan yung Dr. M, nakapit sa akin.
I swear to God, I did not do this.
Scored low na.
Maybe not.
Sino ba? Maghahabol ba?
What you've done,
Wag.
I will never trust you.
Okay, masyadong maghabol.
Oh, box cutter oh.
Nehemi na naman.
Nag-aura lang ako.
Well, here's what's gonna happen from now on.
Marabot mo.
Wala pa yung city. Naubos kanina.
Yan, drop, down.
Oh, sa likod ah. Meron sa likod ah.
Don't have to honor him.
Inquay pre.
You're the guy that nobody wants, but we can't get rid of.
Meron sa likod. Si Imperator.
So I can't make you leave.
Patay sila, patay. Puta, ano, patay ako.
Here anymore.
Gago, na-pre-hit.
Hit na yung
Patay na,
pre.
patay ako. Nag-aara na BM2.
Wala, ang ganda ng pwesto nila. Puta, puro wizard pala kalaro natin.
Oh, namatay ka ba?
Oh, wait mo ako dyan.
Dami.
Ayun, dito si Gold Tamer. Oh. Patay natin to.
Never mind, go ahead.
Patay na ako.
Wait yan, puta.
Okay lang yan. Naluro sila lahat dun.
Delivers outstanding billables.
with unparalleled knowledge of finance. I'm well aware of who you are.
Oh, sama natin.
But how do I
RG.
Wala na SI dyan.
Walang SAC clip ah.
Dito na sila.
Saan sila? Saan dito?
Sa base natin.
Uy, puta, natanda ko pre.
Oh,
Teka lang. Teka pre, wait lang, luwa ko.
You could go in.
Gago. Kaya na talaga itong lag na to.
yan na sila, dudumugin na tayo.
Regroup muna pre, wala pang SAC sila eh.
Wala akong SI pa rin.
I
Tara.
Oo, SIO, lapit.
Ikaw na bahala, Malak ah.
Tara.
Oo.
Paunahin si Malak, paunahin.
There might be a partnership position.
So,
Imperator.
orang bulan na sila, baso gago, pumasok na si Nep.
That you're gonna have to.
I have her, and I'm not giving
Gago,
up.
down ako. Oo.
10k oh. Tanga na, sige, saluhin mo.
Patay na si
Gago ka.
All your cards offer.
Di ako tumatayo nga.
Reinforce the way the place that you want.
Patay ako pre.
Oh, si Dr. M.
Very good.
Nakarot.
Dami nakaka-pre-hit.
John,
Patay.
you're gonna have to prove
Ito si Corin sa likod niya, pre. Sa likod niya.
Wait, ito, nice. Patay, patay, patay. Max cutter na ipit, oh.
Gago na buhay pa.
Wala tao na to.
Patay, 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 patay.
Well, that's it. I've talked to every client except Trent Devin. Well, I know why he's returning Allison's calls instead of yours. Because he thinks we're not focused. That's not enough.
Wala akong root, ah. Wala akong root.
Tingnan mo mapa mo, bis.
Putang ina nyo, 19 ping.
Provides the perfect symbiosis with our search algorithms. Page 23, CEO of Flashstar. Allison doesn't represent them. Google buys
Doktor Ren.
Doktor Ren, oh.
$1,000. Allison
Patay na, patay na.
Allison doesn't represent them. Pretend she does. Trent gets $100 million, but his company gets swallowed up, and that's not what he wants. What if they let him
Ignore nyo lang yung
Wala beam ko. Wala beam ko.
So if that's true, all we need to do is figure out a way to beat that deal. We
Sakayo.
Okay.
Pinatay ko si Goat tsaka si Eliora.
Okay, so what do we do?
Dito kami sa base nila.
Sige, pre. Pupunta na ako, pupunta na ako.
Why didn't you just tell me? Allison said you had a
Si Tres, pre, ah. Nasa likod, ah. Ayun si Tres.
Okay, 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 okay.
Flashstar. Very good. But Allison doesn't represent them. No, but she does represent
Aray ko, tangina mo.
that's about to buy a control.
Ano yun?
Let me guess.
Gago.
You wanna run the whole
Dami FA.
We'll take on Google. Let me guess. You're gonna try and beat it. No, I'm here to tell you.
Wag, ang dami, pre.
If I were you, I would. I would hire the
Tangin naman,
best.
sa ako, gago. Kalampag ako, pre, gago.
You're welcome.
Yawa.
There's just one thing.
Patay ka?
Patay siguro, pre.
I wonder what's in it for her. What are you implying? Let me look over the deal. My own time. If
May
it's
lamang naman
something,
tayo eh.
I'll tell you. If it's not, you'll want to know. Harvey, I already told you. Look, you said we weren't
SFC, sino meron?
Try to convince you that we were. But you also said you
Wala.
and I'm telling you.
Nag-ano
Ito,
yung
tingnan lang.
more time.
Okay na, okay na, okay na.
Paisay ako. Okay na ba? Ay, sige, tinggi, tinggi.
Dami nila gago. Pulit ako agad.
Wala akong BM, pre. Aura lang ako, ah. Ako natatangk. Gusto niyo ba? Teka lang.
Gigi, gigi. Sakto lang.
Ang ano, pupunit tayo dito. Teka lang, pre. Napupunit ako. Wala pang isa si Leo, pre, ah.
Pre, naka-field. Ito,
Doktor
Ren.
mo, papakamatay.
Naka-field sila. Sulitin nyo.
Ano, hindi ako naka-damage, pre. Binabanatan ako.
Subos, 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 subos.
Uli, Kored.
Huli, huli. Wala na yung CR, wala na yung CR.
Wala na yan.
First remove yan. Ang ina mo, tanga.
Ito, hanap putang ina.
Tangina nyo. Basta kayo IDs.
Name
Ayan
yun.
ah.
Ito pa, tanga to.
Ito, si Wolf, gusto din, oh. Ay, tangina lang yan.
Sige, pre. Ako nasa front. Mag-damage gear lang kayo.
Gago, bilis na ng ano.
Tara, pre. Yun, pre. Down nila, pre. Patay. Ito pa. Ito si Tres Luga na. Patay, patay. Isa pa to.
Uy, joke lang. Ang ina mo naman, kakadating ko lang eh.
Pre. Ang ano, pre. Pre-hit sa akin. Wait lang, luwa ko. Ito. Huwag yun ang pansinin yan, pre. Wala mong kantayin eh. Tangin mo, patay. Mirot ka ba?
Tres, huli. Tres. Patay na ata ako. Patay ako. Gago ni Bis doon. Tingnan ka naman, tangi ang Bis to.
Puta,
Naka-
nagkaroon ako, na-cancel combo ko.
Eh, nako, nagkakat. Ang daming ano. Tapos na, pre.
Puta, ano, ang dami. Joke lang, papi. Takbo na kami eh. Sige, 1v1 tayo.
Ano 1v1 mo? Uy, gago, dami. Dami, tangina nyo. Kalahati, gago.
Nice game.
Ano naman?
Ulul.